Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be using the new About Face Halsey's makeup line. I have never tried any of their products. I've been wanting to, and this spring collection that they came out with, it is so cute. So I bought myself these two. These are their fluid eye paint and I'm so excited. And also I got myself a lip gloss. I was trying to get more stuff, but honestly I just couldn't afford it. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to try out these two products that they came out with. The colors are so cute, and I'm also going to try their lip gloss. So that's what we're going to be using today. I'm going to be trying them out. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel and still are watching my videos, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. And let's go ahead and get started. So I put the brightness a little brighter because I feel like it was a little low. Maybe you won't see it. I see the difference. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. So the packaging looks like this. I don't know. What do you guys think of Halsey's new makeup line? I think it's so pretty. And I loved it ever since it came out. Like, I've always wanted to try it, you know? So we're going to go ahead and open it. This one's their fluid eye paint. They're both matte. So I do want to say that. They're both matte. And what I really liked about this was because it was like paint, since she's kind of like an artist, so she likes to kind of play with colors, and I love that. That's why I was so curious about this. And I got these two. You guys, look at the packaging. It is so cute. I love this, and it feels really nice. I love it just feels like really cute, like the packaging. I just want it for the packaging. Like, do you guys see that? So cute. So we're gonna go ahead and try this, and then we also have the lip gloss, and we're gonna go ahead and open this. And I want to show you guys the packaging, but honestly it's just like that. Oh, you can actually pull it from here. I was already opening from here. You can pull it like this and just open it all the way. This is kind of cool. I like this. So you're gonna open it. I thought I got the pink one, but I got the yellow one. I swear I thought I got the pink. I got the yellow one. This one's really nice. You guys see that right there? So we're gonna go ahead and try this out. I want to do something fun with this, so I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and put some on our hand. This one's in the shade Replicant, right? I'm really bad at reading. And then this one, it is the Everything Now, and it's a green one. Ooh, the color's so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch it here. I will be using them on my eyes, but do you guys see that? That's a green one. And then we have the blue one right over here. I'm going to put it right next to it. Do you guys see that? Like, ooh. And it's so pigmented. Like a little, I'm pretty sure a little goes a long way. I am a little intimidated to use them, to be honest. I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a little brush, this one. And I'm going to, first of all, kind of gather a little bit on the brush here. And I'm just going to add it right here on the corner and just tapping it and winging it out a little bit. See that? Wow, that is so pigmented. I kind of do want to mix them. Like, I want to see what it does. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit of the green and the blue, and I'm going to mix them together. And I'm gonna tap it right here. You guys see that looks so cute. Wow, this is so different. I think I'm so used to using powders lately that this is actually really different. It kind of makes it look really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing that I did to this eye. I wanna do it to the other eye and match them. We're gonna add a little bit of that green again to the outer corner and just make it a little bit more brighter. I'm gonna go in with the same brush and I'm gonna just tap it all over on this side. Wow, this is actually looking really nice. It's a little different than my other makeup, but that's the whole point of this. I just wanted to like play with it and everything. So what I want to do is I'm going to grab a little bit of Replicant, which is a blue, and I'm going to just add a little bit more of kind of like a circle here, and then blending that down kind of like that. We're gonna be playing with shapes, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now we're gonna grab again the green one, and I'm going to blend it in with the blue, and I feel like it's just gonna make it look really, really cool. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that green, and then I'm gonna slap it on. I'm gonna blend that in towards the lid. Ooh, that is looking really, really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this eye. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bring the green all the way to the lid because I feel like it's just gonna look better. So I'm just gonna tap it in there. Oh, this is looking really cute. I know it's like really different, but I actually really, really like it. I feel like it looks really nice. I do say that it kind of does dry down. I don't know if I want to say fast, but it does dry down. So you do want to be a little bit more careful with it. But I actually like the way this is looking. I kind of want to do something more fun. I mean, this is fun, but I want to do something more like wow, you know? So I do want to bring a little bit to the under eyes. I'm going to grab a little bit more. And I just love it, you guys. It looks, the colors are so vibrant. And I'm grabbing this brush here, this like little flat brush. And I'm going to use that and add it to the inner corner. And just kind of bring it in. Like, I feel like that will be really, really cool. So I'm going to just go ahead and continue doing that. I really want to know what you guys think of this brand. I mean, I feel like it's pretty cool. I like it. I like the way it's so different. We haven't seen nothing like this. Maybe we have, to be honest. I kind of want to say we have. But it's like she's trying to do something different. You get me? It's not just like an eyeshadow palette. It's not like a highlighter, like a beaming highlighter. It's not like one of those lip plumpers or anything like that. It's not like that. It's just something different, which I appreciate and I live. Okay, this is kind of cute. I did wing it out a little bit like that, make it look really, really nice. I do want to blend a little bit of it to the bottom so it doesn't look too harsh. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend it out. Okay, this is really bright. Like, whoa, it really brought the look alive. So I do want to add a little bit of eyeliner so it doesn't look so bright. I'm going to be using the House Laboratories eyeliner in Punk, and I'm going to be adding a wing so it doesn't look so bright. I want to add a little bit of a wing. I am back and I put some lashes on and just completed the look. So we're gonna go in with the lip gloss. This lip gloss is cute. I thought I got the pink one, but maybe I got the yellow one. I don't know, but I'm gonna go in first with the e.l.f. Retro Paradise. This is their lip liner and it's one of my favorites. I think this is a shade number 2 or 3. I think it's number 2. So this is the lip gloss. This is in the shade No Hard Feelings and it's super nice. I think I got this one. It has a little bit of blue reflex. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it here. It's like a yellow. Feels really nice. That looks really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my lips for you. Well, I actually really like this. This is actually cute because it feels like a highlighter for your lips. It doesn't, you can't feel the glitter in your lips, but it feels, and well, not feels, I'm sorry, I don't want to say feels. It looks like a highlighter for your lips with a lip gloss, and I like that a lot. So this is the final look. So that was the final look, you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below of Halsey's new makeup brand. Is there anything that you guys have been eyeing? What do you guys think about it? I actually really do like these. I feel like it's like a learning progress for this. It's actually really fun because you get to explore with it. I kind of want to do more of a paint like feel. Like I want to just kind of stamp it on my eyes and just kind of make it more like stipply. I'm just really curious about this. I'm going to continue using this because I actually really like them. So I'm happy with my purchase. I'm happy that I got them. I actually really like this lip gloss. I am going to be using it more often because it's actually really nice. I like the way it makes my lips feel. It gives like the lips like a beautiful shine. I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks really nice. I actually really like it. One thing I do want to say about these eye paints is like the less is more, for sure. The less is more, because if not, then it starts kind of breaking off a bit. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. and you guys want to make sure that it, like, how could I explain, it dries down before you start opening your eyes. Obviously mine was a little hard because I was doing a video, but obviously if I'm using it when I'm not filming, I'm going to take the time to let it dry off. But actually it wasn't that bad, but I just do want to show you guys really quick what can happen if you guys do put too much product. But other than that, it blends very, very nicely. I do like that. So I just want to tell you guys one little tip: the less is more. Don't put so much. And even for like little small details, I think it's perfect for small details. Perfect for small details. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you guys like me and like the little videos that I do and have checked out my other videos, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit the bell notification to know when I post another video. And if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, you can go ahead and follow me there. And don't forget, you guys, I actually do have a little Etsy shop if you guys want to check it out. I do crystal rings, crystal jewelry. I have like this evil eye necklace that I have in my shop available. Actually, I only have like a couple of them left, maybe like 5 left. And then I also have earrings now, piece earrings, which, you know what, let me show you guys really quick. These are the earrings that I made myself, and you guys, I have it on my Etsy shop. I'm gonna link it obviously down below if you guys want to check it out. And it's so cute. I obviously have way more colors. I have the options there for you guys to check it out. But so yeah, I do them with UV resin, just if you guys were wondering, it's UV resin. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.